Hey guys, it's Hassan, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own Drupal site. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, type in Drupal sites, and log into your Gmail. You're going to click this red button that says create. You're going to pick a template from here. I'm going to go to schools and education and pick the simple theme. You can choose whatever you like. You have to name the site something. This has to be at least 6 characters. So I'm going to make it test for video. The name is going to be part of the URL as well. And sometimes your name is not available as a URL, so you have to make it longer. We're going to pick a theme. I'm going to choose Slate. You can add a description if you would like. Type in the code and hit enter when you're done. It says that the location is not available, so that means that test for video is already taken, so we're going to have to name it something else. Just going to name it test for video 987. Hit enter one more time. And this time we were able to go ahead and create the site. So as you can see, there's already sample text everywhere. We already have 3 pages, a home page, an about page, and a contact page. Everything on Drupal sites is editable. You can change it to say whatever you want. So if you click right here on edit page, you can edit all the text. So I'm going to change this home to home page. So I want to change this title. I want to change this font to something maybe a little bit bigger. Make it bold, underline it. Change the font of the text. Now let's say I want to add an image to my Drupal site. So I can insert all of my writing, and wherever I would want the image, I can go to insert, image, and this image can be either from a URL, so if you have the image hosted on a separate website or you found it on Google Images, or you can upload the image from your computer, which is what I'm going to do. Once it's uploaded, I'm just going to hit OK. It's way too big and doesn't fit, so I'm going to make it smaller. And then I can resize it to whatever I want. Uploading a video is almost the same process, except it cannot be hosted on your Google site. It needs to be either on YouTube or on your Google Drive. So in this case, I'm going to go to Insert, Drive, Video, and then select the video that I want to upload. I'm going to save that. And once the video is done processing, I'll be able to watch it. The site's layout is also very customizable. If you hit the edit again, you have one layout tab over here that allows you to separate it into however you would like. So the home page you may want to leave as one column, but if you have a separate page where you want more information, it can be separated into 2 columns, 3 columns, or any other of these combinations. Something with a sidebar would probably be very good for images. You can put an image on the sidebar and then include your actual text. If you want to add files, you can go to Open More Actions. You're going to go to Page Settings. You're going to allow attachments. Hit Save. And scroll down to where it says Add Files. Pick the file you want. So I'm just going to upload an image, but you can upload a PDF or a Word document. And if someone wants to download that file, they can go right ahead, and it'll be on their computer. As you can see, the video is done rendering, so now it's on. Google Sites are even more customizable. As you can see right here, it has an option for editing HTML source. So if you're at all interested in web design, you could go in here and make your own HTML tags and everything. It's simple HTML programming. As you can see, it showed up right there. If you want to edit any of the internals of the site, you can go right here to open more actions and go to manage site. You can change the name of the site, put a notice if you'd like it to show up, edit the description. It shows you how much space you have used. You're given 100 megabytes of storage. So far we've used 8%. Analytics in case you're interested. As you get to the bottom, you can see the SS settings, and you probably want to change this to be privated, unless you want your site to be public. Same here for sharing your permissions. Right now it's public, but I can change that to be private. Your default web address is right there, but you can add them as well. You can change the location of your pages, or move one page under another. You can add your attachments over here as well, instead of doing it through the upload feature. Change all of your templates. Down here you can edit your themes, the colors, and the fonts. All of it is completely editable. Change that color palette that you chose earlier. And reset it to the factory.